Have you heard B vitamins are supposed to be one of the best things for burning feet, tingling hands, or ongoing numbness? But you try them, maybe a few different B complexes, yet the symptoms barely improve or the little relief you get fades fast. So you start wondering, if B vitamins are so good for my nerves, why aren't they working for me? Well, here's the truth that most people have never heard. It's not that the B vitamins don't work, it's that you've been given the wrong forms. Cheap, inactive versions that your damaged nerves can't even use. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the 4 B vitamins your nerves actually need and the exact forms that finally allow repair to begin. Stay with me, this could be the shift you've been missing. Welcome back, Health Warriors. Dr. C here. Now, when it comes to nerve repair, your body relies on a very specific dream team of B vitamins, and each one plays a different role in repairing and protecting your nerves. That team is B1, B6, B9, and B12. Together, they rebuild the myelin sheath, that protective coating around your nerves, and restore clear, fast nerve signaling. But here's where it gets tricky. Each of these B vitamin comes in 2 forms. One works, one doesn't. And when they're missing or in the wrong form, you start noticing burning, tingling, numbness, sensitivity to touch, muscle weakness, balance issues, and even brain fog and fatigue. Now, here's the good part. When you switch to the right forms, your body can finally start repairing. Let's break it down. Vitamin B1 is critical for nerve function. But most supplements use thiamine, which struggles to even reach the nerve. What your nerves actually crave is benfotiamine, a fat-soluble form that penetrates directly into nerve cells. This is especially powerful in neuropathy, where it helps reduce burning, tingling, and ongoing damage. If you've been using standard B complex, this alone could be why it's not working. Now, here's something you need to know. This vitamin works best with its teammates. Benfotiamine alone won't get you all the way across the finish line, especially with moderate to severe neuropathy. So let's look at the rest of the dream team. Vitamin B6 is next, and this one is huge. You may have heard the warnings that B6 can cause nerve damage. Well, that's only true for one form, Pyridoxine HCl. This synthetic version can build up in the body, become toxic, and actually damage nerves, especially in people who already have neuropathy. The safe, active form your nerves need is pyridoxal 5-phosphate, or P5P. There's no toxic buildup associated with it, and your body can use P5P immediately to support neurotransmitters, protect the myelin sheath, and help regulate nerve function without any risk of toxicity. Now, you're about to see how powerful it becomes when paired with the next 2. Next is vitamin B12, often called the MVP for nerve repair. The most common and the cheapest form is Cyanocobalamin. It has poor absorption and barely reaches the nerves, so repair stays incomplete. What your body actually needs is Methylcobalamin, the active form that helps rebuild myelin, restore nerve signaling, and calm numbness and tingling. But even Methylcobalamin works better with its perfect teammate. That teammate is vitamin B9. Most labels list folic acid, a cheap synthetic form many people can't convert. In fact, up to 60% of people don't process it effectively at all. So they're taking it, but getting almost zero benefits for their nerves. The form your nerves need is Methylfolate, or 5-MTHF, which works directly with B12 to support methylation, to reduce inflammation around the nerves, and improve blood flow, and it helps with nerve repair. Now, here's the piece most people miss. These don't work alone. They work as a system. If even one is missing or in the wrong form, the entire process slows down or stalls completely. But when you get all 4 right, benfotiamine, P5P, methylfolate, and methylcobalamin, you finally give your body the tools it needs to start rebuilding your nerves. I'm curious, which of these forms have you been taking? Drop it below. I read every comment. And this is just one piece of the puzzle. These 4 B vitamins are critical, but they're only part of a bigger system. In our next video, Why Nerve Supplements Fail, 7 nutrients that actually repair nerves, I'll break down the 7 nutrients your nerves are actually starving for, what amounts you need for repair, and how they team up to support every layer of damage from energy production to better circulation and beyond. You don't want to miss this one. So if you take nothing else from this video, take this. If your nerves are going to heal, they need the right building blocks, not the cheaper versions and not the watered down doses, but the forms your body can actually recognize and use. Give your nerves what they actually need and be patient, because nerve healing takes time, but it will happen. So please make sure you share this video with anyone taking B vitamins for neuropathy. And if you like this video, help us out by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel so our video can reach more people who need the help. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss next week's full video on Why Nerve Supplements Fail, 7 nutrients that actually repair nerves. We're going much deeper there. Health warriors, you've got this. Your nerves can heal. Let's give them what they need, and I look forward to seeing you on the road to great nerve health.